Okay, we're getting ready to put the cam in. First thing I did is I checked the cam, make sure everything looked okay. I put on my cam installation tool, which is basically you just use the regular cam bolts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to liberally lube up these right here. I'm using a lot of grease here. You can see a lot of grease. Just to get it started. Just to get it started. Yeah, we want a lot. Here we go. All right, we're gonna get it started in there. And as we get farther in, we'll add more lube. Nice and slow, don't force this thing in. Don't force it in. Okay, I could add more grease. I'm being very liberal with this grease. Very liberal. I'm using the Maxima assembly grease. All right, we're gonna go a little farther in here. Nice and easy, don't force this thing in, go super slow. Super slow. Turn it if you have to. Little by little. I seem to be hitting a snag. There we go. Be gentle with it. I can't stress that enough. Just keep that lube in there. Keep that lube coming. Very gentle with it. You want to nick these lobes. So now that I got it resting inside that journal there, on top of the cam bearing, it holds it straight. And you can push it in a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, there we go. We're going. We're good. We're good. I'm using plenty of lube here now. Okay. This isn't that hard. You just gotta be very careful with this thing. Super careful. Okay, we're gonna go on farther. Nice and easy. Turn it a little bit if you have to. There she goes. She's going. Make sure there's lots of grease on there. If you have to jiggle it up and down a little bit, so be it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. Look at that. It's not hard, folks. It's just you got to be very cautious with this. It's a very messy job, too. Very messy job, but it's fun, right? I mean, that's why we do it, because we enjoy doing it. Okay, we're gonna try to go in a little farther. There we go. A little more. There we go. I want to get on that. Okay, I want to get on that. There we go. I want to get on that cam journal right there. We go. Holds it in place for you. See that? Lots of lube here. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're just about all lubed up here. Make sure you get them all really good. Okay. Whip some of this off my glove here. And hopefully this time we can send her home. There we go. There we go. One more. Just about there. Boom, we're there. Okay, we're there. Okay. At this point, give her a few spins here. Okay. I'm just going to take off my cam bolts. She's not hard. Not hard to do. Just got to be super careful with the cam lobes. Just about there, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming along. Okay. All right. There's a cam installation tool right there. I think I got this through Summit. It's not, I want to say they're like 15, 20 bucks. Okay. I believe that's it for now. I'll tune you back in when I get ready to put the timing chain and gears on. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Hit the bell. Give me a thumbs up. It's all fun. Enjoy the rest of your day, folks.